we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and related names from music as well. This is probably the most obviously mispronounced name from music, from German, that you've ever heard of. Anyhow, let's see about this. So in English this is normally said, usually said as Bach, Bach. In German, however, it is to be said as Bach, Bach. I know, it's not a sound that exists in English. This is why in English it is said as Bach, Bach. But it should be said really from the original language, German, Bach, Bach. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting, very often mispronounced names from music whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.